Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to study about the classification of polymers. Is the fourth type based on the magnitude of molecular forces. Based on the magnitude of molecular forces. Right? Understand? So, based on the molecular forces, we can classify the polymers into elastomers, fibers, and threads. Fibers. First two, we have to discuss it about elastomers and fibers. So, here what is meant by elastomers? The polymers chains are held together by weak intermolecular forces. The polymers in which polymer chains are held together by weak intermolecular forces are called elastomers. Examples for elastomers are natural polymers, natural rubber, Buna S, Buna N, and neoprene. In these elastomers, the weak intermolecular forces permits the water these polymers into stretchable so that they have stretched rubber. We can see the stretchable property in the rubber. Next type of polymers are the fibers. Based on the magnitude of intermolecular forces, fibers are the second type of polymers. So these are the polymers which are forming thread forming solids, and having high high tensile tensile strength are called fibers. In these fibers, intermolecular forces are hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond are the intermolecular forces. So, example for fibers are nylon 66 and terylene. Both are threads. Nylon 66 means here it is the polymer of adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine. Terylene is also a polymer of a fiber-like structure. So, what are the fibers? Fibers are the polymers which are thread-forming solids and having high tensile strength are called fibers. Example for fibers are the nylon 66, terylene. In these polymers, the intermolecular forces are hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond is the weak intermolecular force of attraction. Based on the intermolecular force of attraction, polymers are classified into four types. First one is the elastomers. Elastomers are the polymers in which the polymer chains are attracted to each other with the weak intermolecular force of attractions. Example for this polymers, elastomers are the natural rubber, Buna S and Buna N and neoprene. Right? Understand? So, fibers you know about very well. Fibers are the polymers which are thread forming solids and having high tensile strength. Examples for this fibers are the nylon 66 and terylene, and the intermolecular forces in between the polymer chains is hydrogen bond. So these polymer fibers are small straight chain compounds having small branches. Right? Understand? Classification of polymers. In the classification of polymers based on the mode of polymerization, we are classified into four types. First one is in the previous video. First one is the polymers. Third one is thermoplastic polymers. Second one is the fourth one is the thermosetting polymers. First, thermoplastic polymers. Thermoplastic polymers are the polymers which are linear or branched slightly branched chains and capable of softening on heating and becomes hardening on cooling. That is the property of thermoplastic polymers. The polymer chains, which are linear in shape and having slight branches. These chains are capable of on on heating and hardening and cooling. The layers are held together by weak van der Waals forces. The example for this thermoplastic polymers are polythene and polystyrene and polyvinyl chloride. Right, understand? This is the what thermoplastic polymers. Thermoplastic polymers are the polymers which are in a linear or branched chains and capable of softening and cooling and become about hardening on heating and become hardening and cooling are called what thermoplastic polymers. The layers are held together by what forces? Weak van der Waals forces. The examples are polythene, polyvinyl chloride and polystyrene. Next, thermosetting polymers. Thermosetting polymers are the polymers which are having heavily branched chains or cross-linked or heavily branched chain molecules. On cooling, they undergo extensive cross-linkings and becomes what a infusible material. Infusible material means what? Not breakable, not fusible. So these are called what? Thermosetting polymers. The polymers chains which are cross-linked or heavily branched molecules. On heating, they undergoes what? Extensive cross-linkings and becomes what? Non-fusible material. Example for this thermosetting polymers are the what? Bakelite and urea and formaldehyde. These polymers cannot be reused again. Right, understand? So, based on the magnitude of molecular forces, polymers are classified into 4 types, that are thermoplastic polymers, thermosetting polymers and fibers and elastomers. How many types? 4 types of polymers are there: elastomers, fibers, thermoplastic polymers and thermosetting polymers. Right, understand? Next we have to discuss about the polymerization. What is meant by polymerization? Polymerization is the what? The process of combining of large number of simple molecules into a large molecule is called polymerization. This polymerization takes place in 2 ways. One is the addition polymerization or chain growth polymerization. Second one is condensation polymerization or step growth polymerization. Let us discuss about the first of all, what is the addition polymerization or chain growth polymerization and its mechanism. Right, understand? So, what is the addition polymerization? The process in which the simple molecules, large number of simple molecules combine together to form a large molecule by addition of simple monomer units to form a large molecule is called what? Addition polymerization or chain growth polymerization. For this one, the examples are PVC and polythene and Teflon. You know that polythene is the polymer of ethylene. N moles of ethylene combined together are subjected to undergoes what a polymerization, then we will get polythene is formed. Polythene formula CH2 single bond CH2 taken n times. In this one, the monomer unit consists of double bonds. Addition polymers means what? Alkenes and alkadienes undergoes what? Addition polymerization. This addition polymerization is the first type of polymerization. Second one is the what? Condensation polymerization. Condensation polymerization. Condensation. Condensation polymerization. Polymerization. Condensation polymerization or step growth polymerization. Step growth polymerization. Right, understand? Step growth polymerization. Here what will happen here? Condensation polymerization. Simple molecules combine together to form a large molecule with the elimination of simple molecules like ammonia, water, H2, HCl. This is called what? Condensation polymerization. Right, understand? Condensation polymers example is nylon 66. Nylon 66. That means it is formed by condensation of hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. That is the first example. Second one is the what? Phenol and formaldehyde. Phenol and formaldehyde resin. This is also example for condensation polymerization. In this molecule, water is eliminated. Third one is terylene. Terylene. Terylene is the polymer of ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. In these polymerization reactions, simple molecules like water, HCl or ammonia will be eliminated. Then we can say it is what? Condensation polymer. Condensation polymerization or step growth polymerization. One step will be increased. Okay, it's all right. In the first one, addition polymerization is the what? Simple molecules are addition together without elimination of any molecules are said to be what? Addition polymerization or chain growth polymerization. Let us, we have to discuss about the addition polymerization, its mechanism. So this addition polymerization, its mechanism, we have to discuss it. Hello students, then we have to discuss about the polymerization reactions. First one is the what? Addition polymerization or chain growth polymerization. Second one is the what? Condensation polymerization or step growth polymerization. In the addition polymerization, it is again two types depending upon the nature of mechanism of polymerization. Ionic polymerization and second one is the what? Free radical polymerization. What is meaning by ionic polymerization? Ionic polymerization means what? Ions are involved in the what? Polymerization. Addition polymerization reaction are said to be what? Ionic polymerization. And this one second case is the what? Addition polymers. Second way mechanism is what? Free radical polymerization. Means what? Free radicals are involved. Free radicals are initiator of the what? Polymerization reaction. Here first one is the what? Ions are initiator. Ions are initiator. Hence we can say it what? Ionic polymerization. Ions are initiator. So ions, we know that two types of ions are there: cations and anions. Cations polymerization is what? Those alkenes having electron donating group. Electron donating group, they undergo polymerization in the presence of Lewis acid or protons. In the presence of Lewis acid or protons, then the cationic polymerization will be takes place. Here cation is what? H plus ion. This cationic polymerization is takes place in three stages. First one is the chain initiation step. Second one, chain propagation. Third one is chain termination. Let us discuss about the what? Cationic polymerization. In the example 2-methyl propene. 2-methyl propane. In the first step, chain initiation step. Chain initiation step. Initiation step. In this one, here CH2 double bond CH3. Here H plus ion is attacked on the double bonded carbon. Then carbocation is formed. Carbocation is formed. Carbocation, what carbocation? Here CH3 single bond CCH3 single bond CCH3. Here plus 1 will be formed. This is the formation of what? Carbocation in the chain initiation step. Second one, this carbocation again reacts with another molecule of alkene to form a further carbocation. So I want to write CH3, CH3 carbocation. This one is attacked on the another alkene CH2 double bond CH3, right? Understand? Then what will happen here? Long chain formation will be takes place. CH3, CH3. Here CH2, CH3 and CH3, right? Here carbocation is formed. What will happen? The chain length will be increased. Hence, it is said to be addition polymerization is the what? Chain growth polymerization. This is the what? Second step, chain propagation reaction. Chain propagation reaction. After that, then chain termination reaction. Third step is the what? Chain termination. Chain termination means what? Here termination means chain reaction will be stopped by loss of proton. Then I will write here CH3, CH2. Here n times I want to take and CH2 double bond CH3. What will happen here? Chain plus proton loss. This is the what? Polymer. This is the what? Cationic polymerization reaction. The cationic polymerization reaction, which type of alkenes are showing? This electron donating groups of containing alkenes containing electron donating groups are showing the what? Cationic polymerization in the presence of Lewis acid or proton. Right? Understand? This cationic polymerization will be takes place in 3 steps. First one is the chain initiation. In the chain initiation step, alkene reacts with what? Proton. Alkene reacts with what? Proton to form a carbocation. This carbocation in the chain propagation step, carbocation further react with what? Another mole of what? Alkene to form a what? Chain growth polymer cation, carbocation will be formed. Here one carbon atom increased. Hence addition polymerization are the what? Chain growth polymerization. So this is the what? Polymer. N times we have to take here n moles. Then we will get the what? Polymer. Then chain termination reaction will be takes place from the carbocation. Carbocation will lose its proton. By loss of proton, then carbocation by loss of proton, then only this proton I want to write here H plus ion, then the chain termination reaction will be closed. This is the what? Cationic polymerization. Let us go to discuss about the what? Anionic polymerization. This anionic polymerization, those alkenes having electron withdrawing groups. Alkenes having electron withdrawing groups in the presence of strong base or alkali amide, they undergoes what? Polymerization reaction. This reaction is said to be what? Anionic polymerization. In this polymerization reaction, anion is the initiator. Here also same process will be takes place. 3 steps are there: chain initiation, chain propagation, chain termination. By taking example styrene, styrene formula you know very well. CH2 double bond, CH single bond, C6H5. This C6H5 attacked with what amine base group, strong base. Then you will get what here NH2, here NH2, CH2, CH minus C6H5. Right, understand? C6H5. This is the what chain propagation. First step is the what carbene ion is formed. Chain initiation step. This chain initiation carbene ion is formed. This carbene ion again reacts with what one more alkene having what electron withdrawing groups. Then chain propagation will be takes place. After this chain propagation, chain termination is also takes place in this anionic reactions. Chain termination done by loss of what one proton. Loss of proton, then chain termination will be takes place. So in this way we have to discuss about anionic polymerization. Anionic polymerizations are the what two types again: cationic polymerization and anionic polymerization. Cationic polymerization, the polymerization reaction is initiated by protons or Lewis acids. The anionic polymerization reactions are which are initiated by strong bases or alkali amides. So those alkenes having electron donating groups, they show the what cationic polymerization. Those alkenes having electron withdrawing groups, they are showing the what anionic polymerization. So in this anionic polymerization, anion is the chain initiator. Hence they are said to be what anionic polymerization. In the cationic polymerization, cation H plus ion is the what chain initiator. So that based on the initiator, we have to decide the what ionic polymerization into two types: cationic polymerization and anionic polymerization. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss about the what next video class we have to discuss about the free radical polymerization reaction. So addition polymerization mainly classified into anionic polymerization and free radical polymerization. Free radical polymerization in the next video I have to discuss.